Hello everyone. Today we have with us the latest smartphone from Asus. This is Asus Zenfone 2 Laser. The device is priced for 9,999 rupees in the Indian market, and it is available for sale on Flipkart at the moment. This is not exclusive on Flipkart, but for the moment it is available on Flipkart, right? So as you can see, this is the retail box which we have got from Asus. It's a review in it, so let's have a look at what the device looks like and what is in the box. We'll be unboxing only and taking a overview of the device. We'll be doing the full review later on. So let's open the box. This box, as you can see, is the usual Asus retail box, which usually comes with icons that show different features of the smartphone in these circular holes, you can say. Basically it tells you that it comes with HD screen and 4G LTE, right? At the back panel you have different information like IMEI number, the model number. For example, here it is ZE550KL black model it is. Apart from that, you have the MRP, which is written here 13,399, but you can buy it for a price of 9,999 rupees in India. So let's open the box, right? So here it is. We open the box. In the box you can see here, this is your Zenfone 2 laser device. We'll keep it at here and let's check out what else we have in the box. As you can see, you have the user manuals, user guide and warranty card. This is the warranty card which you can use to avail the warranty on the device. Apart from that, you have this user guide which basically tells you the different features of the phone, right? Here you can see it basically tells you how you can install a micro SIM card and what different buttons and where are the features and how you can use it, how you can open the back cover and everything else, how you can insert your SIM card. So basically this is the user guide, right? Just now, apart from that, we have the adapter. This is a 1 ampere adapter, which means you can use any adapter of 1 ampere with this device, even though it is recommended to use only the Asus adapters for charging this device. Apart from that, you have a micro USB cable which can be used for charging the data and charging the smartphone and transferring the data from the smartphone to PC and vice versa, right? So apart from that, we got nothing else except few stickers which tells you the serial numbers and IMEI numbers, right? So that's all we have in the box. As you can see, these are the contents of the box. If I remove the box itself, this is the content that came with the box, which is your smartphone, the cable, the adapter and the user manuals and warranty card. So let's pull out the device itself from the wrapper, plastic wrapper, which is, as you can see, this is a 5.5-inch smartphone and it comes with the HD IPS display. We have at the back 13 megapixel camera which comes with LED flash. Apart from that, this is used for focusing using the laser. Asus claims to get autofocus using this device using the laser function in almost 0.3 seconds. We'll check it out later on when we review the device. These are the volume rockers, basically just like any other smartphone that Asus produces these days. You can see the similar kind of arrangement in also LG devices. This is the Asus logo Zenfone, you can see written at the bottom. Apart from that, these are for speakers, right? This is the front camera, which is 5 megapixel. We can just, and the odd thing which you'll see is the power button at the top with just along the 3.5 mm audio jack, right? Then this is your charging port, micro USB port. These are for mic, and we have no buttons on the sides, right, as they have moved the button volume rocker at the back and the power button at the top, right? So we'll just open the back cover this and see what's inside the back cover, right? As you can see, this is the back cover, a plastic one, even though the back cover appears a bit like not so plastic, just a bit of texture and smooth, still it is a plastic cover, right? Here you can see this battery can be removed from the smartphone. You have the SIM card slots here and the micro SD card slot, and this is a 2400 mAh battery, which hopefully will give you a decent battery life. We'll check it out when we review the device. So let's power on the device and see what's inside it, right? These are the speakers basically at the bottom. So you can power on the device using the power button at the top here, right? And just as you can see, the Asus logo and the powered by Android on the screen. The device is booting. So here it is, your lock screen of the device, and you can see this Asus Zen UI, which is the same as in any Asus Zenfone or any other Asus smartphone. You can just swipe up to unlock it, right? And let's just check out the operating system and other stuff about the phone, right? Here you can see the hardware information of the smartphone. This is the laser, Asus Zenfone 2 laser. You can see the CPU is 1.2 gigahertz. It is basically Snapdragon 410, and RAM is 2 GB on this device. Apart from that, Android version is 5.0.2 Lollipop. Basically it is Android Lollipop. So it is 5.0.2 and not the latest one, 5.1. Apart from that, let's check out the storage on this device and see how much storage we have. This is the storage, out of which 16 GB is the total storage, out of which at the moment 10.42 GB is available, right? System reserve storage is 5.2 GB. So out of 16 GB, 5.2 GB is the operating system, and the default apps that came pre-installed with this device are consuming this. So on a 16 GB device you will be only getting 10.5 GB approximately for your uses, right? So this is your Asus Zen UI. At the moment it appears quite smooth, but we'll be checking out in more detail One thing which you'll notice is the large number of apps that came pre-installed with the apps. This is one of the problems with Asus smartphone, that it comes with number of loads. We have installed one or two benchmarks app. Apart from that, everything else is came pre-installed with the smartphone itself, right? So we'll be reviewing this device in more detail pretty soon, so stay tuned for our review. And thank you for watching this. We'll be back soon with a full detailed review of the Asus Zenfone 2 laser. Thank you for watching. See you soon with another video. Thank you.